Okay, folks, this is Paul Wett, W-E-T-T, at Wett Trader, LLC.com, coming to you for your forecast for week ending. We're in May, folks. We're absolutely in May. I'm going to say our week ending this Friday. It's going to be May 6th. It's 6:05 p.m. The Asian market just opened on Sunday, May 1st. I'm going to try to give you guys a setup for this week. I'll be back on Wednesday. Be back on Friday for the end of week. Wednesday for the update, folks. www.wetttraderllc.com. Since I'm going to show you what's going on, folks. We've been going over this for the last couple of weeks here. We correctly projected this low. We correctly projected this high. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not quite a 5-bar high. I told you we'd have a little resistance here. And we had a bunch of numbers lining up, folks. Bunch of numbers. When the numbers line up, you can't fight the system, baby. Don't fight the system. This is 2101, 75, 2105 and a quarter. I mean, you're a couple points off here. 2.5 off the high for the projected high for the month. Now, these are going to be the new numbers, I think, for the week, for the new month. This is May, because now we're in April, or April, this is April, now we're in May. So our PP, we're having close to a breakout on the monthly. So either we're going to take out the high, or we're going to take out S1. So let's take a look here, folks. We got the high here on the daily. We're still looking for our low here. We have a breakout, folks. You know what that means. We're plus or minus 3 to 4 points here, 3 to 5. On the close in the PP, we have a high probability to penetrate one of these two numbers. And then going to these numbers now. It's all lining up. I'm a visual guy. I'll show you what the visuals are. Number 1, key reversal down on the key reversal down on the monthly. What do? I'll tell you what you do. You sell the PP or buy S1, whatever happens first. So what does that mean, folks? Well, let's find out if our monthly PP is 63 or 75 and we're at 2022, whatever happens first, right? Now, if you look at our buy numbers, folks, we have a buy at 35, buy at 45. This is the daily, which we hit this on Friday. Pull this up a little bit for you. We hit this one up on Friday. This is our weekly high and low support. These are the retracement numbers. All we got to do is line these up, guys. Line them up. Line them up. Line them up. Rawhide. Here we go. So look at this. Our PP 66. We have 39. So that's if we're going to stay inside this week. So this week, or this month, we got to stay inside this 26, key reversal down. PP 63, we got to stay above this 26. So that's a big range. Huge range, 40 points. So we take it day by day, week by week. Just like we always do, folks. Use the current numbers with you. We have a 45 here, which is, like I said, we have a 45 here. And then we have a 30. Then we have a weekly 30, 39. We have a buy at 43 and 36 and 33 on the weekly. So we can bounce around here a little bit, folks. We can bounce around a little bit here. Now we can also take a look at the sells. Because that's what we're probably going to want to do here, folks. So we'll take the sells. I'm thinking there's a high probability that we could be... Markets don't reverse on a dime, folks. I don't care what anybody tells you. These big ranges is not a reversal. This is just taking a little bit of profit and the trend's going back up. For a market to reverse, folks, it's not going to be a 1-bar day. A reversal happens over time. That's why my system's a price and time formula. Here we have support. Like I said, 26, 27. I told you this is where our last low was. Now, if this is going to be a head and shoulder reversal, this would be a shoulder, this would be a head. We'd have to come down a little bit further and then rally back up there. Now, if that was to happen, this thing would come all the way down to this area. So right now, we want to play the numbers. We want to play the numbers. We want to sell here, and we want to buy down here. Now look at the weekly, same thing. We're right here at this moving average here. If this doesn't hold here, folks, like I said, there's a good probability we could take a nice bounce back down here. Now here's some support here too. Like I said, this is going to be strong resistance. Strong resistance. I told you once we were getting over here, here's strong support. Here's support here too, folks. These are some main areas here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my numbers. Let the support, listen, if I got 4 criteria and each one of them increases your probability by 10%, you have the 50-50 chance that the market's going to do something. You increase your probability by adding more criteria to your system, and that's what I do here at www.wetttraderllc.com. So, like I said, folks, we're going to try to take out this low in this area here on this 26 area, or at least bounce near it and maybe rally back up. This looks like a 1 A, B, C, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would project the low and then at least a bounce. So, folks, let's watch the markets. We have a lot of area to play with. Watch the moving averages. These are the support and resistance levels, folks. The market runs fast. Wait. Be patient. Be patient, folks. Let's look at the 240. See here. It's a nice area there to be selling. 60-minute. Another nice area to be selling. www.wetttraderllc.com. Watch the range. Key reversal down. Sell, that's one. We're looking at support there to 2026. That gets penetrated. We're going back down towards the 2000 level, maybe a little lower. If we do the head and shoulder top, it'll take a little bit of time. So we'll go over that next week. So stay tuned. Be back next Wednesday, or this Wednesday. www.wetttraderllc.com.